I don't have a screen capture program, but here's a nice harp circle over Michigan, or check that out. Now they've been fueling these storms like crazy. I don't know if anyone was watching that one that came over the East Coast yesterday. But they rammed that thing straight into us and we got flooded out real nice and hard. Like the whole East Coast. And right now we got this one coming from Canada. They're fueling it a little bit. It's like some signatures in there, some lines and some circles. Usually just these little creeks fill with water on each side of the road. They're so overflowed that it's running. Layla, get! All into our yard from the sod farm. Show everyone what the rain did to us. This is usually a little tiny stream. This is usually a stream that's as thin as that, like thinner than that bridge. 4 foot wide stream. The entire field past it flooded out. Holy shit. Where the flowing water is where the little 4 foot stream is supposed to be. And now we have a 30 foot lake in our backyard. Almost took our wheelbarrow. It's all the way up to here. This is supposed to be a garden patch. Water's just flowing through. The giant bonfire pit's somewhere down there. The stream is supposed to be at the tree lawn. As you can see, there's like a rake handle in there. We just lost our rake.